All right, guys, now that you've completed the warm-up, how do we feel about the vocabulary? Are we comfortable? Are we still kind of uncomfortable? Okay, hopefully that gave you an idea of where you're at. We have on Friday, in a couple of days, our quiz for the vocabulary, so please be sure that you are comfortable with it. We're going to do a little bit more exercises today to practice the vocabulary on transportation, so that way you can kind of get an idea for what I'm looking for on the assessment, and you can get an idea for what you need to study tonight and tomorrow night. I am going to do a couple things. First, pull out a piece of paper and a pen or pencil. We're going to do a pop quiz, everyone's favorite. This pop quiz is on the vocabulary, okay? So I need your good listening ears, and we are going to talk about, we're going to review these transportation vocabulary words. I am using our app that we so famously introduced last class. So hopefully you guys have been using this English flashcards app. I'm pulling it up right now. Hopefully you guys are getting your paper and pencil out. We are going to be talking about, we're going to be quizzing on these vocabulary words found in this app. Now, this is the same vocabulary we are using in class, so that's why this is such a useful tool for you. Is everyone ready? We're going to have 5 questions, and this is graded, so be ready for it. Okay, question number 1. Listen and write the word that you think it is, okay? All right. What is a road vehicle with an engine, 4 wheels, and seats for a small number of people? One more time. What is a road vehicle with an engine, 4 wheels, and seats for a small number of people? Okay, number 2. What is a car with a driver who you pay to take you somewhere? A car with a driver who you pay to take you somewhere. Okay, number 3. What is a small vehicle for traveling on water? Small vehicle for traveling on water. What is a vehicle? Number 4. What is a vehicle with wings and 1 or more engines designed for air travel? And you know what? I'm not going to use this. I have it on my computer. Okay, and number 5. What is a large vehicle in which people are driven from one place to another, usually to and from school or around the city? Okay, hopefully that gave you enough time. Number 1, what is a road vehicle with an engine, 4 wheels, and seats for a small number of people? Hopefully you wrote down car. How do we spell car? C-A-R. C-A-R. Okay, number 2, what is a car with a driver who you pay to take you somewhere? Taxi. T-A-X-I. Taxi. Okay. Number 3, what is a small vehicle for traveling on water? Boat. Okay, B-O-A-T, boat. Number 4, what is a vehicle with wings and 1 or more engines designed for air travel? Airplane. A-I-R-P-L-A-N-E. I will also accept plane. P-L-A-N-E. Okay. Number 5, what is a large vehicle in which people are driven from one place to another, usually to and from school or around the city? This is a bus. So you can have a city bus, a school bus, bus, B-U-S is what I'm looking for. Okay, how did we do? Okay, not so good. Take this home. This actually will not go into your grade book. I just tell you it's graded, so you take it seriously. I really need you to understand that the quiz is going to be like this. You are going to have a definition with context clues. Remember context clues? Those words that help us understand the vocabulary word better, okay? When we learn a new language, we look for those context clues to help us understand what we're talking about. Let's look at question number 1. What is a road vehicle with an engine, 4 wheels, and seats for a small number of people? Okay, first off, we know this is on the road. It's a road vehicle. Okay, it has 4 wheels, okay, and small number of people. So what's a small vehicle on the road? Probably a car, right? Not a bus. Has 4 wheels, so a car would make sense, right? Okay, so look for those details, okay? Our next activity, we will be going to our Google Docs, and we will be including these context clues in the sentences that we write for each vocabulary word. All right, I'm trying to think what's next. Yes, everyone pull out your phone, and I'm going to show you really quickly how you're going to pull up. I had a brain fart, sorry. Okay, so pull up the email that I sent you. This has the link to the Google Docs, and I'll kind of show you here. I sent you an invitation to edit. So what you'll do is you'll click that Google Doc Open in Docs link. It's that blue tab right there. It'll take you to the page, and we can each edit it there. Okay, so for the next little bit, pick a couple words, write some sentences with context clues, and then we'll reconvene and share some ideas that we have. If we don't finish this in class, it is for homework, so please be efficient. Use time wisely. I started one with bicycle. I will show you here. Okay, so I rode my bicycle to school this morning so I could do the triathlon this afternoon. So that's basically what you're going to do. Look for a vocabulary word that you feel like you can write a sentence with context clues to help us understand as a class what that vocabulary word is. If I were to take out that vocabulary word, would I know what we're talking about? Would I know what that key vocabulary word is? Okay. Get to it. Good luck, guys.